Hola mis amigos, we're making pressure cooker Mexican beef stew. I've got the pressure cooker set to saute, and here I have 1 tablespoon of butter, and to that I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then you just want to make sure that you stir that around to get it combined with the butter. And then next we're going to add 1 red onion that has been sliced, along with 8 cloves of garlic. You don't have to go that crazy on the garlic, but I like the flavor, so I added extra. And then we're just going to let this saute until the onions have softened. Now that everything is nice and fragrant, we are prepared to start adding the meat. Here I have 2 pounds of beef stew meat that I have seasoned with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to add all of that right in. Next, I'm adding 1.5 pounds of baby Dutch yellow potatoes that I have cut in half. 3/4 of a cup of roasted red salsa. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. I know it sounds a little weird to go in here, but it does give it that little extra delicious flavor. And 1 cup of beef stock. And you just want to quickly give that all a stir to combine. And then we are just going to put the lid on this and pressure cook this for 30 minutes. And then that is all that there is to it. This will be good to go to serve. The meat will make some more juice, but you can always add some more beef stock if you need. But just stop right here for now and then see how it turns out. So I will see you after 30 minutes of pressure cooking. Pressure cooker Mexican beef stew. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.